Hey everybody, it's Neil, and let's see what got purchased today behind my back. This one here is a Kurt Adler 4-inch Noble Gems glass octopus ornament. So my guess is Veronica got something with an octopus. And let's see what this looks like. It'll go on the tree back there. Well, look at this. It is a little glass octopus. Check that out. It's kind of cute. By Noble Gems. I don't know, Kurt Adler. I guess that's something on it. But that's what it looks like, so kind of cute. Hopefully you guys like it. So that's what it looks like. So thumbs up from me. I guess it's cute. Okay. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews.